And it is really my heart's desire to see Pastor Sam together with you guys having a church in heaven in eternity with the presence of God. Thank you and good morning. Thank you, Lord. So indeed, a journey with Pastor Sam is a privilege. Indeed, a journey with Pastor Sam is not that easy. With Pastor Sam off to early retirement at Dar, it reminds me the life of Moses. Moses chose to neglect his life in Egypt as a son of Pharaoh. He allowed God to use him to deliver the people of God, the Israelites, to bring into the promised land. And that is what Pastor Sam did. He chose to be full-time in the ministry. He chose to be used by God to deliver the people, to bring the people in the arms of God. Diba? So, I know the life of Pastor Sam is a living testimony to each and every one of us. So it's about time for us, to everyone, to render a song for Pastor Sam. Pastor song. So I would like to request everybody to stand up and then jive with the music and jive sa tanan na pagkanta karon para kay Pastor Sam.
You answer the call, and the way gets mad. Season here, we don't know this. You're meant to be and we want you to know. Pastor, we love you. We appreciate all you do. And God sees the sacrifice you made for Jesus Christ. So you pray for the
Let's request everybody to please the people silang prayers para kay Pastor Sam sa kasunod ko bagan.
we know one
I guess the last time we love to pray para kay Pastor Sam.
my child,
To bring it to the heart and stick it out.
my child will run. There will be a quiet place, only Jesus is there. God sees the keys, He hears the burden you bear.
Ano gamay ra sa kuha?
The Lord's by your side,
Mangayaw ko
with all that you do. There's a good and bad. You'll see it through.